How to get Tractor Supply 10% off coupons. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started with the video. Start by moving into any of the web browser. Once you're in here, in the source bar, search for Tractor Supply coupon code or promo code. Tons of different sites will be visible to you. Let me move into this one for now, Coupon Follow. Once you're in this official page, now search for the specific offers and discounts, which is available to you in this page. Once you have selected the specific one, all you gotta do is click on it. You'll get to see the promo code will be available to you. All you gotta do is copy this promo code. Once copied, head over to Tractor Supply and then enter this promo code where you are asked to. If the promo code or the coupon code is valid enough, then you'll be able to receive certain amount of discounts and offers, and then you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If this video helped you out, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.